Hello everyone, my name is Pratyasha Nath and my roll number is 20BT10023. Today I will be presenting my DIY assignment 2, where we had to make a circuit layout for an Arduino based project in TinkerCAD. So the project that I have made is a temperature sensor LED indicator. I will briefly walk you through the components that I have used in this project. I have used a small breadboard, some red LEDs, some 1 kilo ohm resistors, wires, an Arduino Uno 3 board, and a temperature sensor TMP36. Now the TMP36 is a low voltage precision centigrade temperature sensor which provides a voltage content that is linearly proportional to the Celsius temperature that it measures. I have written the code for this project using block code, which looks something like this, and I will be explaining the logic to you. So first we have set the baseline temperature to -10 degrees Celsius, and the reading from the analog pin A0, it will be mapped from a range of -40 to 125. We have also made a provision to convert the temperature to the Fahrenheit scale, so that when I am running the simulation we can see the temperature in both Celsius and in Fahrenheit scale. So I have considered the various cases here. For example, when the temperature is less than the baseline temperature, or it is greater than the baseline temperature, that is -10 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, then none of the LED lights will light up. And when the temperature is from 10 to 20, then 0 to 10, then one of the LEDs will light up, and if it's from 20 to 30, then two LEDs will light up, and so on. So this is the logic that has been used, and we have a wait time of 1 second, and I will now run the simulation to demonstrate how this project works. I will slide the temperature to show you how it reacts to the different range of temperatures. As you can see, the readings will be shown in the serial monitor as well. When the temperature is less than 0 degrees, then none of the LEDs light up. When it is in a range of, let's say, 0 to 10, then one of the LEDs lights up, then two, and so on. This gives us a rough idea of what the ambient temperature is, like a brief idea of the range of temperatures. So mainly it is useful for getting an indication of what the temperature is like in a room, and that's the application of it. So thank you for watching.